In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete campaigns in Mailchimp. We'll walk through this process slowly and clearly, so even if you're new to Mailchimp, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, start by logging into your Mailchimp account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel there with different sections. Find the option labeled Campaigns and click on it. This is where Mailchimp keeps a list of all your email campaigns. After you click Campaigns, you'll be taken to a page that shows your campaign list. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific campaign you want to delete. Make sure you've chosen the correct one, especially if you have several with similar names. Deleting a campaign is permanent, so it's worth double-checking the title and any details you see in that row. Once you've found the campaign you want to remove, look to the far right side of that campaign's row. You should see a small icon that usually represents more options, often shown as 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu with several actions you can take on that campaign. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Delete and click it. As soon as you do, Mailchimp will open a confirmation pop-up. This pop-up will ask if you're sure you want to delete the campaign, and it will remind you that you won't be able to undo this action. This is your last chance to confirm you've selected the right campaign, so quickly review the campaign title shown in the message. If everything looks correct and you're ready to proceed, go to the bottom right corner of that pop-up and click the delete button. Mailchimp will then process your request. After you click delete, wait a moment for the page to refresh. You don't need to do anything else during this time. Once the action is complete, you should see a small notification appear at the bottom of your screen that says Email Deleted. That message confirms that the campaign has been successfully removed from your list, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can safely delete any campaign you no longer need in Mailchimp, keeping your account organized and easier to manage.